In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to gallery view cards in Notion. Open Notion, and make sure you're already logged into your workspace. Once you're in, you should be looking at your main dashboard or sidebar area where your pages and databases live. To create a gallery, click the plus icon in the left sidebar. You can also type /gallery on a new line inside a page, then press Enter. When the menu appears, choose Gallery View, and then select New Database. This gives you a fresh visual board where each card can display a preview image, which is great for mood boards, content planning, portfolios, or profile-style layouts. Now click on any card in the gallery to open it as a full page. Inside that page, move your cursor near the top, just above the title area. You'll see an Add Cover option appear. Click that, and Notion will place an image banner at the top of the page. Next, click Change Cover. From here, you can choose an image from Notion's built-in gallery, or search Unsplash if you want something more specific. Pick the image that best matches the look you want for that card. This cover image is what Notion can use to visually represent the card back in gallery view, so choosing a clear and relevant image helps your board look much better and easier to scan. Once you've selected the image, close the page to go back to the gallery. You should now be able to see the card with its image preview in the gallery layout. If you don't immediately see it, scroll through the gallery or use the left sidebar to return to the right page or database, and check again. To add images to more cards, just repeat the same process. Open a card, add a cover, change the cover image, and then return to the gallery. After you do this for multiple cards, your database will start to look much more visual and organized inside your current Notion workspace. And that's really all you need to do. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you go. If you want a cleaner look, try using images with a similar style, color palette, or aspect ratio so your gallery feels consistent. This is especially helpful if you're using the gallery as a profile board, project tracker, or inspiration board. Also, if a card doesn't look the way you expect, simply reopen it and swap the cover image until it fits better. Once you're done, you'll see your updated gallery right in your account, and your cards will be much easier to recognize at a glance. That's pretty much it, and you're ready to try it yourself.